Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you about Endowus. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if we talk about Endowus, it offers one of the most competitive fee structures in the market. Their management fees range from 0.4% to 0.6%, which is lower than many traditional advisory services. What's more, they offer 100% rebates on trailer fees, so you won't face hidden charges or sales commissions. This is a huge plus if you're focused on maximizing returns over time. With Endowus, you get access to top-tier global fund managers like BlackRock and PIMCO. Normally, these funds are reserved for large investors, but Endowus makes them available even with smaller investments. This is a unique feature that separates Endowus from many other robo-advisors on the market. Another significant advantage is that you can invest Central Provident Fund, CPF, and Supplementary Retirement Scheme, SRS funds. For Singaporean investors, this is a huge win. Endowus is one of the few platforms that allows you to invest your CPF and SRS money, adding a significant level of flexibility when it comes to managing your retirement savings. Additionally, Endowus offers CashSmart, a cash management solution that allows you to earn up to 4.7% annual returns with no lock-in period. This makes it easy to park your spare cash while still earning a decent interest rate. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Endowus has a minimum starting amount of 1,000 Singapore dollars, which might be a barrier for beginners. While not huge, other platforms have no minimum deposit requirement, making them more accessible for first-time investors. Furthermore, Endowus offers liquidity, but its withdrawal processing can take between 2 to 4 business days. This is slower compared to some other robo-advisors, which might be a concern for those who want quick access to their funds. Some users have reported that the platform doesn't always present the most up-to-date information on certain funds. This means you may need to do a bit of extra research yourself to ensure you're making the right decision. For instance, some platforms may offer more thematic investment options or quicker access to funds, which can be beneficial for users with specific investment goals or needs. On the other hand, Endowus's ability to invest CPF and SRS funds, along with its competitive fee structure, makes it a great choice for Singaporean investors looking to optimize their retirement savings. The platform's focus on transparency and low fees also ensures that users can maximize their returns without hidden charges. In conclusion, Endowus is a strong contender in the robo-advisory market, offering low fees, access to institutional-grade funds, and the ability to invest CPF and SR's money. So that's basically all about Endowus. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.